Auto Parts Pro. Today we were 2011 Mazda 3, stock number 6932. It's ran from 2006 to the 10th 2013. It has an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight needs polish. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AEC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,